come,
Come it deposit the
leave it
waste.
here and
Yeah, and you can go. So we also have an incentivized model as well for this. So if somebody comes with proper segregated waste in section, we will be able to pay them as per our rate card. So we will shortly.
so you will have to display it.
We'll shortly display a digital code over here.
Okay. So bottles will have.
Yeah, every fraction of the waste have a different compartment which is made over here. It will be kept over here. After a certain period,
After it reaches a certain level, and then
we will put it in the bags and we will get it to the material recovery facility.
So this will not become a waste now, it will become a resource.
Yeah,
The
of
moment you give something, you get money.
You get money.
So people will not call it waste. It's a
Lokan-
resource.
Lokan
Lokan
is
is
And also,
खूप जण कामाला लागतात.
Exactly.
also it will be a business for the rag pickers. So it will flex paper and yeah, that is the hard plastic. Hard plastic.
Plastic bottle.
That is plastic bottle, glass bottle.
This is hard cardboard.
Soft plastic. Hard cardboard and display. Thank you, sir.
Only itself creates so much.
Yeah.
So let the people who are picking only glass pick only glass.
They will keep it separately. So instead of बाहेरून रोजपेक्षा आम्ही द्या मार्केट आहेत त्यांना.
इवन व्हॅल्यू मेट
वेगळे पैसे मेळटले आणि दुसरे मार्केटातून बाजार करपाक येतात न्हू ती बॅगां भितर हे घेवन यो हांगा दी गो टू द मार्केट.
So if they just get the dry waste segregated, we will segregate it right here on the segregation platform.
So हांगा आम्ही मिक्स डायरेक्ट सेग्रेगेट केला.
Yeah.
But if people ideally
Yeah.
segregate and get, it's much better.
So that is what we are first.
Approximately 10 lakhs.
Very good morning, everyone. The launching of the DWCC, along with Chairperson of MAPSA Municipal Council, Mrs. Priya Mishal, ex-councillors, ex-chairperson, sorry, Dr. Nutan, Shubhangi, Vice Chairperson, Dr. Shishant, Councillor, Mr. Prakash Bhushet, everybody from Anubhuti, Mandalis, and everybody that's part of all the teams. A very happy moment for the MAPSA market area as we launched this dry waste collection center in a very important location between the MAPSA market and the Kadamba bus stand. आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की हो जो spot आसलो was highlighted multiple times over the last 2 years for various negative reasons, and when it was brought to my attention that it was creating so much negativity in the entire area of MAPSA, आणि कितें आता एक बाजार म्हणून प्रत्येक लोक बार्देसचे ह्या भागा भितर येता, आणि whether it is for shopping or for various other things, sometimes parents come to drop their children for school and come and shop in the market. It was creating a very negative spot for MAPSA. So today we have converted this center into a dry waste collection center. As you can see, multiple sections created to collect only dry waste. It is not for garbage in the larger scope of things, but I think majority of the waste is covered other than your kitchen waste. Everything else can be brought and deposited here. There is an incentive system. Whatever value you bring, there will be a rate chart which will be up here. That you can get an incentive for bringing 100 kilos maybe of cardboard. You will get something back in return. It is very centrally located, and I think it covers 6 black spots if I am not mistaken, along with the biggest black spot of all, right at the entrance of the market. I would like to thank the Anubhuti Foundation along with Mandalis for giving this entire facility worth 10 lakhs to the citizens of MAPSA. It is not only for me but for all of you all. Please come and have a look at it. It's a very simple yet functional facility. लोकांक एक opportunity आसा हितून येवन पोवपाक, wherever there is no dry waste, you don't know what to do with your dry waste, please come and deposit it here. From here it will go to our material recovery facility located in Gucheli. I think a good initiative by this organization under CSR for the benefit of MAPSA. So again, a big thank you to Gaurav, Kenneth, Chinmay, everybody that has been working tirelessly, along with the team from Mandalis who have contributed to help set this entire structure up. again a big thank you to all of you.
आयज आमच्या म्हापसान मेन पॉयंट आसा थंय आयज इनॉग्रेशन जाल्लें आसा ड्राय वेस्ट कलेक्शन वेस्ट पॉयंटाचें. हांव सगळ्या म्हापशेकारांक अपील करता की प्रत्येकानी हांगासर येवन जी आपली ड्राय वेस्ट आसता ती हांगासर येवन दिवची आनी तुमकां तितून वॅल्यू तुमचो मेळूंक शकता. कित्याक तेंचे प्रत्येक वेस्टाचे डिफरंट वॅल्यू आसतले. सगळ्यांनी हांगासर येवन दिवचे. तशेंच हांव सगळ्यां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुमी जे ब्लॅक स्पॉट क्रिएट करता जे आमचे नियरबाय विलेजीस आसा ते ब्लॅक स्पॉट क्रिएट करता तेंच्यांनी ते न क्रिएट करता हांगासर हाडून तुमचे डंप एक दिले जाल्यार हांगासर तांकां जाता तितली मदत जातली आनी आमकां स्पॉट पळोवंक कमी मेळटले. तशेंच हांव आमचे अनुभूती वेलफेअर फावंडेशन तशेंच पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड तशेंच गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन तशेंच आमचे बीग थँक्स टू मोंडलेज इंटरनॅशनल तेंच्यांनी हो बीग इनिशिएटीव अलॉंग विथ म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील हो घेतलेलो आसा. हो इनिशिएटीव बरे भशेन सक्सेसफूल जावचो अशें हांव म्हापशेकारां कडेन मागतां आनी तशेंच आमची म्हापसा सिटी ही क्लीन आनी ब्युटिफूल दवरपाक सगळ्यांचो हात भार लागचो अशें सगळ्यां कडेन मागतां. थँक्यू.